You picked up your phone to check the time. That was the plan. Just the time. But 30 seconds later, you are looking at a pair of shoes you did not know you wanted. There is a sale badge, a timer, and only a few left. Somehow, your thumb is already moving toward the cart. Jake knows that feeling. He was not planning to spend money. He was not looking for anything important. But the offer appeared at the perfect moment. This is not just a shopping problem. It is not just a discipline problem. It means your brain is doing something very old. Your brain was built to notice rewards: food, comfort, safety, status. A long time ago, if your ancestors found food, waiting was not always smart. Someone else could take it. Tomorrow could be worse. So the brain learned a simple rule. When a useful reward appears, pay attention and move toward it. That rule helped humans survive. But today, the reward is not a fruit tree. It is a phone notification, free delivery, a limited time discount, or a product that follows you around the internet after you looked at it once. Your brain has not changed as fast as the world around it. That is where the problem begins. Modern shopping is designed to feel easy. One tap, saved card, fast checkout, free shipping, small monthly payment. None of it feels dangerous in the moment. That is the trick. It does not feel like a big decision. It feels like a tiny reward. And your brain loves tiny rewards. This is where dopamine comes in. Most people think dopamine means pleasure. But dopamine is more like a signal. It tells your brain, there may be a reward here. Go check. Go click. Go get it. It often appears before the reward, not after. That little buzz you feel when you see a sale is not proof that you need the item. It is your brain reacting to the possibility of a reward. Companies know this. That is why timers work. That is why only 2 left feels urgent. That is why subscriptions feel harmless when they are small. That is why food delivery is so easy when you are tired. The modern world does not just sell products. It sells the feeling of now. Buy now. Eat now. Upgrade now. Feel better now. And your brain is very vulnerable to now. Jake tells himself he is only browsing. Then he adds one thing to the cart, then another. Then the app says free shipping starts if he spends a little more. So he spends a little more. Each step feels small. But at the end, his money is gone. And he barely remembers making a real decision. Bad spending is not always one huge mistake. Sometimes it is 10 tiny moments where your brain wins before your future self gets a vote. So what do? You do not need to hate your brain. You need to create space. A small gap between the impulse and the purchase. Because that gap is where control lives. Rule 1. Wait 24 hours. If something was not already planned, do not buy it immediately. Put it in the cart, close the app, and come back tomorrow. Most urgent purchases become less urgent when the dopamine spike fades. Rule 2. Remove saved cards. Saved cards make spending frictionless, and friction is not always bad. If you have to stand up, find your wallet, type the card number, and look at the total again. You might notice what you are doing. That pause can save you money. Rule 3. Pay yourself first. Do not wait until the end of the month to save whatever is left, because most of the time, nothing is left. Move money into savings first, automatically, before food delivery, subscriptions, and random upgrades. Then spend from what remains. This works because your brain adjusts to what is available. If the money is sitting in your main account, your brain treats it like spendable money. If it is already saved, it is harder to casually throw away. The goal is not to never enjoy life. Money should make life better. But there is a difference between using money on purpose and letting every impulse vote on your future. Your brain is not broken. It is old. It was built for a world where waiting could mean losing. But today, waiting can mean freedom. Freedom from buying things you forget about. Freedom from subscriptions you barely use. Freedom from wondering where your money went. The next time you pick up your phone to check the time, your brain will still notice the rewards, the sale, the timer, the thing you did not know you wanted, but now you know what is happening. And sometimes, the smartest money move is not earning more. It is closing the app before the shoes find you.